Understanding 6 Feet Under, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, 6 feet under. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious at first, but it's a common expression in English. So, let's dive in and uncover its meaning and usage. The phrase, 6 feet under, refers to being buried after death. It comes from the traditional depth of a grave, which is 6 feet. This idiom is often used to talk about someone who has passed away in a somewhat indirect or euphemistic way. The origin of 6 feet under is tied to burial practices. It's believed that the standard depth of 6 feet for graves was established to prevent animals from unearthing bodies. Over time, this measurement became a common reference in English-speaking cultures. In conversation, 6 feet under is used to refer to death without directly saying so. For example, after he's 6 feet under, I'll inherit the house. She always said she'd dance on my grave, but now she's 6 feet under. Notice that while it's a euphemism, it can still be seen as a bit blunt or morbid, so it's important to use it sensitively and in the right context. English has many idioms for death. Here are a few. Bite the dust. Another way to say someone has died, often used in a more casual or humorous context. Passed away, a gentle, more formal way of saying someone has died. Kicked the bucket, a more informal and humorous idiom for death. Each of these expressions has its own tone and is suitable for different situations. Understanding idioms like 6 feet under is a great way to enhance your English language skills. They add color and depth to conversations and can be quite intriguing. We hope this video has shed light on this particular idiom. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.